Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you're watching me, hello, my name is Irma, but you can call me Irmita. And if this is your second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th time coming back, thank you so much for that. So in today's video, I am so excited to show you guys what I got at Dollar Tree. I'll show you the bag for now. It is pretty big. It's pretty packed almost to the top. And I'm so excited to show you all the makeup goodies I found. I had originally just gone for Halloween decor because it is coming out right now and they have really cute things. But I saw that they had a lot of makeup and I'm like, why not try it? Why not buy it? A lot of the brands that I saw there, usually I would see them in other stores and I'm like, you know what? Let me take some makeup. Let me do a haul. And then the next video would be me doing a tutorial, which I think is going to be pretty cool. Now, before I start the haul, But before I start the haul, I do want to thank everybody that has been watching my videos, that has been commenting, liking, and subscribing. It really means a lot, so thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. It feels so good to see that slowly but surely we are growing. I almost have 80 subscribers, which to a lot of people that's not a lot, but to me it's crazy thinking that I have 80 people watching me. That's amazing. It really is. Also, everybody that has been reaching out to me on Instagram, I highly appreciate it. Don't forget to
DM me. This is what happens when you drink coffee, guys. This is what happens when you drink coffee.
Also, everybody that has been DMing me on Instagram, I do highly appreciate it. If I don't get to you right away because I'm busy, but I usually text back or DM you back every chance I can. If you recreate one of my looks, please tag me. I will be featuring you in my upcoming videos. So yes, thank you so much, guys, and let's get on with the haul. So the first product I'm going to show you guys is the foundation that I found. I didn't really find much for liquid foundation. They only had two colors, which was light and tan, and obviously I'm not that dark, so I had to bring the lightest one that they have, and I feel like this is gonna be way too light on me. This is from Sassy and Chic, and it's the moisturizing foundation. It's in light 1. This looks to me like it's more like on the pink undertone, and I am more like the neutral but going more towards yellow, but I will try my hardest to make it work. So this is what I got for the liquid foundation. For pressed powder, I found this one from LA Colors, and it's in the color Nude. And I feel like this is going to fit more of my skin tone. And it looks a little bit darker, but I know I can make this work. So I found this one. It's supposed to be long lasting, so we shall see if it is. We shall do a little word test in the next video. And then I found another pressed powder in the color Tan. And it's this one. I plan to use this as bronzer or contour. I like to do that a lot, and it's long lasting. Like I said, we shall see about that. Hopefully it is, and hopefully they work. So I didn't really find a concealer, but I found a corrector, so I'm going to see if I can make that work. This is from the LA Colors, and this is in the color Peach. It does look a little dark, I'm not gonna lie, but I know I can make it work, guys. So that's the concealer or the corrector. Now for blush, I found this one from LA Colors, and it's in the color Spice. Honestly, guys, I think this color is so pretty. I love these tones, especially right now for autumn, you know, fall. I love these colors. So now moving on to eyes, I found this eyeshadow palette from LA Colors, and it's the 12 color eyeshadows in Supernatural. And it's in the blue range, and these colors look really cute. To be honest, I'm very into the blues right now. I just don't like these little like brushes, applicators. I feel like they kind of suck, I'm not gonna lie, so I really don't use those. But I really hope those eyeshadows work. And I have not seen these anywhere actually. It's the LA Colors liquid eyeshadows, and I found 3. I got this smoking color, which is a gray metallic, such a pretty color. And then I found this other one that's called Cheers. It's like a bronzy yellowy gold-ish kind of color, very pretty. And the last one is the color Regal, and it's a purple. Honestly, If I would have seen more, I probably would have bought them all because these colors are very, very pretty. And they're very wearable too. So I cannot wait to use these. I'm so excited for these guys. I also found from LA Colors these loose eyeshadows. And this one is in the color Honeysuckle. And this one is in the color Radiant. This is more like of a bronzy brown. And this is more of a like champagne-y light brown kind of color. And to be honest, guys, they look so good. I probably will use this as a highlight. And then when I find colors like this, I usually like to put them in the center of my lips with any kind of lipstick or lip gloss that I have on. It makes it look really nice. For mascara, I found two, and I'm pretty pumped about these because if they work, I will be going back to buy more. This is from LA Colors, and this is the Lash Building Mascara in Very Black. It's so tiny and cute. It's supposed to extend your lashes, so I hope this works because I don't know if you guys know this. I know a lot of people that know me in person know that I love to wear mascara by itself. I don't like to wear a lot of fake lashes. I would rather find a really good mascara and make my lashes work. My lashes are pretty long, so I just like to make the mascara work. And then this other mascara is from Wet n Wild, and it's in the color Very Black. I think this one is called Mega Wear Clean Definition. So I'm very excited for this one too, guys. I really hope these work. I shall put them to the wear test, and I will let you guys know for sure. And then this is the LA Colors eye marker. It's supposed to be smudge proof, and this is in the color blue. Guys, when I tell you that this color is so pretty, I cannot wait to wear this. I love this shade of blue. I'm very into this shade. I cannot wait to put this on my eyes. I already have a couple of eye looks that I'm thinking of, so I can't wait to wear this. I also found setting spray from LA Colors, which is kind of cool because I didn't even know that they made traveling setting spray, so I cannot wait to wear this. Hopefully it works. So then the next product I found is the Pears transparent soap. So this, I basically want to recreate the soap brows that are super in trend right now, or they were in trend maybe like about a year ago or half a year ago. I know a lot of people like to use this soap. I have tried these soap brows in the past. I really don't like it, but I want to try it out with this soap. Maybe it's the wrong soap I was using. So if you guys want to see a video on soap eyebrows, let me know. Of course I can film it, no problem with that. Just let me know in the comments, guys, if you want to see that video. Of course I can make it. So then the next three products are from Wet n Wild. This is the small eyeshadow brush, and then this is the smoky eyeliner brush, and then this one is a crease brush. Like I have said in the past, I use the brushes in very different ways. So not just because a brush says that it's like a crease brush, it doesn't mean that you have to necessarily use it for that. You can use it any way you want, to be honest. So I'm very excited for these. Hopefully they work because they are pretty cute and they're $1. So if they work, I will be going back for more. And the last two products that I want to show you guys are for the lips. This is the LA Colors Intense Color Lip Gloss, and this is in the color Dancer. This is such a pretty color. I feel like this type of color can go with any eye look that you create. And then I found this Vaseline Lip Theory Cocoa Butter chapstick, and these are so good, guys. Usually I find these for like $3 or $4, and I found it for $1. So I'm like, yes, you're coming with me. We'll be showing you guys one more product. This is not for face or anything, but I do want to show you guys that I found these, specifically this one. So I personally like to make glow oils or body oils, and I'm not gonna lie, they come out pretty good. If you guys want me to do a video on how I make them, let me know in the comments, because I'm not gonna lie, guys, I have a lot and they are very long wearing. They look really good, they smell really good, so I would love to make a video if you guys want it, of course. And that concludes the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you liked this video. It was so much fun to film. I cannot wait to do the tutorial part. Hopefully you guys like that. Also don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you can know every time I upload a new video. Trust me, the next videos are gonna be so good, so you don't want to miss out on that, and it's free, so why not do it, you know? Don't forget to tell yourself that you're beautiful. Everybody's beautiful. Don't forget to tell yourself I do it every day and it feels so good. Also, do something positive. Don't forget to do that. Everybody do something positive. It feels amazing. Don't forget to wash your hands. Don't forget to sanitize, and don't forget to wear your mask. Come on, guys. We're too mature for this. Wear your mask. It's necessary. Okay? See you in the next video, guys. Bye.
Live open, vividly, and endless. I swear to God.